Ariana Grande and Swarovski have come out with an entire jewelry collection. I got some pieces from the collection, so let's try them on together. Oh my god, so I feel like 2024, now 2025, it's been the year of Ariana Grande with Wicked, R.E.M. Beauty, her new fragrance, and now her collaboration with Swarovski. I know she is like a brand ambassador for them, and she came out with like a capsule collection with their previous pieces, but now she has her own collection with the brand, and as you can tell, a girl went real hard. Generally do like precious metals. I do like buying diamonds, gold, and all of that, but Swarovski has definitely been a brand that has been on kind of my radar, right? Just because a lot of times for statement pieces, the price point, insane, right? For something that you're probably not even gonna wear maybe only once a year or once every so often. So while they're celebrating 130 years, I know this is not sponsored, but they're celebrating 130 years of being in business, which kudos, because that is definitely very hard to do. And they've just really made a name for themselves. I remember them, especially growing up, as like, you know, the crystal ornaments that you put in the house as decor, or like the Christmas ornaments. And I remember I grew up in Miami, and there used to be a Swarovski boutique in one of the malls, Dadeland, and I think it's still there. But I remember seeing jewelry and I used to think, oh my god, it's so expensive. Growing up, that definitely was a lot, you know? So it's really cool that I can now purchase these stuff, try it out for myself. Very grateful and happy that I get to do that. But I definitely caught my attention way more when I saw Ariana Grande was doing a collaboration with them. And it felt so true to Ariana Grande. It's giving very Audrey Hepburn, you know, Breakfast at Tiffany's, and then you have the hearts, which is very Ariana, you know, with her previous albums, her discography, and then of course with the music. I do have 3 bags here, and I think depending on the store's availability or something like that, they include this really pretty ornament, and on it it says Ariana Grande Swarovski all over it. It's a music notes. I don't know if y'all can see on it there. So super nice. So of course I'm keeping the box because hello. But y'all, I do have 4 pieces from the collection. Make that 6 pieces, but okay, back to the video. Try them on with you all. We're gonna kind of go over the details, how they feel on, the weight, the wear, what they look like, but let's try it together. First piece from the Ariana Grande times Swarovski collection. Look at this box, first of all. The pink, gorgeous. I mean, so pretty. The box itself is a collector item. Open her up, and as you can see inside, actually, it does say Swarovski on the inside. So you get Ariana Grande on the outside, and in the inside Swarovski. But look at the main event. Isn't she stunning? I will say the brand did a great job at just presentation, but they don't just come like this. It comes with the foam, and it's secured, so your pieces won't move, it won't get damaged. Like, look at that. Look how pretty and sparkly. I was worried the hearts were gonna look a little cheesy in person, but they actually look really pretty. So what I really like about the tennis heart necklace is that it comes with multiple links. So you can either make the necklace longer, make it shorter, depending on what you like. So I'm gonna show it to you with the 2 extra links off, what the length looks like. I really like it at this length because it sits almost like a choker, but not really. So it's like getting close to a choker, but it's like the first length down. But look how pretty that looks on. It is so sparkly, so beautiful. I didn't know what to expect with this necklace, especially because it is a heart shape. So I was worried it wouldn't look as sophisticated on, but it does. It looks very pretty on. And then to kind of give y'all an idea of how you can make it longer is you take this, and you're basically just putting that latch on, and you've just made it longer. And you can take off another one, but I'm just going to show you with all 3 of the links that it comes with, so you can see what the standard length looks like. And then I know at the Swarovski boutique, she mentioned to me that if you need more links or extender, that's why she would recommend picking up the bracelet, because the bracelet actually comes with additional links as well. But here's what the length of the necklace looks like as such. And to mention, as well as they say on their website, all the Swarovski jewelry is rhodium plated with their crystals. I don't necessarily know the base metal or the base material that they use, that they plate on. I didn't see that on the website, but I know when I asked them about what their posts are on their earrings, they mentioned that it's nickel free, aloe free, no copper, nothing like that. Metals that they use are made for sensitive skin, it's hypoallergenic, and it's meant to last. So yeah, but I really like this looks. I feel like this was probably the most high demand piece from the collection, and for good reason. It's absolutely stunning. Next necklace that is up is the Ariana Grande x Swarovski Y necklace. And I know this was also another favorite that everybody was looking at, because it definitely looks like a more everyday piece. It's not too much of a bold statement. You can kind of get away with wearing a really pretty long lariat necklace like this. All right, here is a close-up of the Y necklace with the heart detail. Pretty. I love how everyday this looks. This Y necklace out of the whole collection looks like something you can actually wear on an everyday basis and you don't have to dress it up. It looks, and then you have the clasp, and then you can make the necklace shorter or longer from this little system right here. Here is what that Y necklace looks like on. Again, you have that heart detail in the center, and then you have the pearls lining that way, and you can adjust this. It has this little ball in the back that you can adjust it to make it a little longer, a little shorter. I really like this length for myself personally, but this one was really pretty. And without a doubt, this was the first one I kind of gravitated towards, because you can definitely get away with wearing this more casually. I mean, look, it even goes with the bodysuit I have on right now. Here is what the stack looks like together. Honestly, I love the pairing. I think the pairing is so pretty on. She's a moment. Honestly, it looks stunning and beautiful with this bodysuit alone. But I could totally see this being really nice with like a black gown, or just like a nice evening gown. All right, time to get into the earrings. I only have 2 necklaces and 2 earrings from the collection, but let's try them on. So these are the hoop earrings, and I thought these looked so cool because it does have the baguette cut earrings, but then on the side it has another, like a double hoop, and then to connect them, these little pearls. So I thought these looked absolutely stunning online. I don't think I saw Ariana wearing them in the campaign, so I was like, hold on. Didn't see those, but when I saw them online, I was like, ooh, these are nice. And then for the post, just to give you an idea, it's just kind of the one where you know, and boom. These have a lot of movement and flow to them, which I will say I do kind of like in a hoop. Because sometimes when they're a little stiff, it's not the most comfortable thing to wear for hoop earrings. But because these do have a lot of flow and movement to them, they're really nice. Here is what these look like on the ears. As you can see, they have a lot of movement to them. But look how pretty these look. I mean, even with the stack, I feel like the stack overall is just so pretty. But we know that, we've established that. But look how nice these look on. These are so nice. I haven't seen many, I don't think I saw any campaign photos of Ariana wearing these hoops, but I will say, if you're looking at the earring heart studs, this and even the larger ones, I think these are definitely my favorite to kind of incorporate into a more, like, you can kind of get away with wearing it with casual clothing because it's not too much of a statement, but they are quite very sparkly and pretty. And I like how unique the design looks, especially with that second hoop and then the pearl. It definitely makes it very unique as a hoop. Quickly gonna interrupt the video. This is the next day from when I filmed this video that you're watching right now. But a girl actually picked up 2 more pieces from the collection. And I'm wearing one right now. It's the ear cuff from the collection. I couldn't help myself. I wanted to go back. Honestly, if it was up to me, I want it all, which I know I'm not going to do that. But I really wanted to pick up the ear cuffs. They're just so pretty. I mean, look at the combination with the hoop earrings. I mean, it looks gorgeous on its own as well, but I just couldn't help myself. I feel like the ear cuff, it's good to have at least one good ear cuff. So even if you're wearing a stud, it can just elevate the look. And even like with your hair up, come on. Come on. I was definitely getting FOMO from the collection. There's so many other pieces that I actually went back and tried on, but I ended up picking these ear cuffs and then the other one that I picked up, which I'm about to try. So I also picked up the heart studs. And like I mentioned about the tennis necklace, that I do like that the hearts are not too cheesy or anything like that. It's the same kind of post, just like the other earrings. Then it comes with this little back. And here you go. Here's what the heart studs look on. They're very lightweight. I am noticing that most all the earrings, I think I have all the earrings from this collection. Yeah, I do. I have all the earrings from this collection, but they all are very light and easy to wear. I will say, because I do have long nails, I can kind of get in the way of applying earrings, but they do look really, really pretty on. So, all right, so the next piece I picked up is the Swarovski times Ariana Grande. This is the drop earrings. I didn't see many people post about these earrings, or at least try them on, so definitely wanted to see the weight on these and if they were heavy. Online, they have them listed at 0.37 ounces, which is still within range of what I normally wear. I think the heaviest pair of earrings I have that I will wear are 0.42. So it was right close to what I'm comfortable with, but they're so lightweight and easy to wear. And if I just take this out of the really pretty box, look at them. Oh, it's so pretty. And then it has like the pearls lined up on the back right here with the baguette cuts. Perfect to just have a really nice statement piece, statement earrings when you don't feel like really wearing anything else, or if you want to be bold and pair it with a stack like this. But I loved, when I saw Ariana Grande wearing these in the campaign, I was like, those are so pretty. And they're so Indian looking, which is why I really like them too. For the drop earrings, this is what the post looks like. I did ask the sales associate at Swarovski what the material is that they use on the post, because I know some ears can be sensitive. And then just to show you, this is what the back looks like. And she mentioned to me that it is nickel free. They don't use copper, nickel, anything like that, or alloy. Everything is rhodium plated, and it's meant for sensitive skin. It's hypoallergenic, but she did mention that they use crystal and some other form of metal to make the post on the back. I can't even explain how beautiful this collection is. I now have on their drop earrings. When I saw Ariana Grande wearing it in the campaign, like all the campaign photos when she was wearing these specific earrings, it gave me such Indian jewelry vibes. And I'll tell you, growing up as Indian and Pakistani, I would wear Indian costume jewelry and it would be so uncomfortable and heavy to wear. And these are the opposite. I'll tell you right now, I'm so picky. I don't like to wear heavy earrings, no matter if it's precious metals, costume, fashion jewelry, no matter what it is. I cannot do heavy earrings. But these are the opposite. I think on the website they have it listed at 0.37 ounces of weight. Definitely recommend going to a Swarovski boutique and trying them on if you have one. If not, you can kind of go in your own jewelry box at home and kind of weigh your earrings that you like and see the weight based on that. Y'all, these are so pretty. Ariana Grande looked stunning wearing them on, and I'm so happy I picked them. That is it for this video. What else can I say about this Ariana Grande times Swarovski collection? It's beautiful. Definitely check out the pieces while they're still in stock. Really pretty. I think you'll definitely enjoy these pieces in your collection. There are some pieces that are a little bit more everyday, like this lariat one, and then some that you can definitely save for an occasion to dress up. But yeah, I think these are gorgeous pieces. They definitely look very pretty, timeless, without breaking the bank. And honestly, the sparkles look very, very nice in person. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I post here on YouTube weekly. You can also follow me on all my socials at the Henna Ali. I post literally every day on Instagram. But without further ado, I will see you in the next video. All right.